Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out a vacuum that's redefining the way we clean our homes, the iRobot Roomba 105 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. It's packing some serious features, like the ability to self-empty for up to 75 days and deliver intense suction power to tackle dirt like never before. This isn't just another robot vacuum. It's designed to make cleaning easier, smarter, and more hands-off. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The iRobot Roomba 105 Combo combines both vacuuming and mopping into one sleek machine. Right off the bat, it promises a hands-free experience for up to 75 days, thanks to the AutoEmpty dock. The dock empties the vacuum into a bag that traps up to 99% of allergens, down to 0.7 microns. This is a big win for allergy sufferers, since it prevents dust clouds when emptying the bin. The dock is pretty low maintenance too. You just drop the used bag and pop in a new one. Simple. Now, let's talk suction. The Roomba 105 comes with 70x more powerlifting suction compared to earlier models, which is pretty impressive. That means it can easily lift dirt and dust from carpets and hard floors, giving your home that deep clean you're looking for. Paired with its multi-surface brush and edge sweeping brush, it's designed to cover all floor types, picking up dirt in corners and along edges. Plus, it delivers a clean that leaves floors shiny with its microfiber mop pad. For navigation, it uses Clearview LiDAR, which helps it map your home quickly and efficiently. It can cover large areas with precision, steering smoothly around obstacles, and specialized sensors ensure it won't fall down stairs. The Roomba 105 can detect carpet and will automatically avoid it while mopping. No more worrying about your rugs getting wet. As for cleaning modes, the Roomba 105 gives you full control. You can choose between vacuum only, mop only, or a combination of both, depending on what your floors need. Want more suction? You can adjust the power levels. Need more mopping solution? There's a control for that too. It even has customizable cleaning schedules, which makes it easy to fit into your daily routine. Plus, the Roomba Home app makes it a breeze to set up and control from anywhere. I got a chance to put this to the test in real-life scenarios. Setting it up was a breeze. The Roomba quickly mapped out my space and started cleaning, effortlessly switching between different modes. On hard floors, it performed admirably, picking up everything from dust to fine crumbs. When it hit the carpet, I could see the difference in suction power, pulling up embedded dirt. The microfiber mop left my floors streak-free and shiny without leaving them soaked. The only minor hiccup was when it tried to mop a little too close to a small rug, but that's something I can live with given its smart avoidance feature. The Roomba 105's ability to tackle both dry and wet cleaning is a standout feature. The mopping action is designed for deep scrubbing, thanks to the micro pump that ensures the mop pad stays evenly moist. It's not just a quick swipe, it gives a deep clean that you can feel. If you're someone who wants a robot vacuum that can handle everything, this combo feature is a big win. Let's talk about the noise. For a robot vacuum, it's pretty quiet. It doesn't sound like a lawnmower, and while you can hear it working, it's not disruptive. If you're worried about it running while you're watching TV or sleeping, I think you'll be fine. Now, what about downsides? First off, the weight. It's not the lightest robot vacuum, but that's a small trade-off for the suction power and performance. Also, while it does a great job on hard floors and low-pile carpet, it's not quite as effective on thicker carpets or large rugs. And while the self-emptying feature is a huge convenience, it does require you to replace the bag every 75 days, so you'll need to keep an eye on that. In terms of value for money, the Roomba 105 stands in a unique place. It's not the cheapest robot vacuum, but it offers a ton of features that make it well worth the investment. The ability to mop and vacuum, combined with the self-emptying feature, is a serious time saver. If you're someone who values convenience and wants to cut down on your cleaning time, this vacuum is a solid choice. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are less expensive options out there, but you might have to compromise on features. So, how does the iRobot Roomba 105 compare to other robots in the market? Well, if you're looking for a combo vacuum and mop, this is one of the better options out there. It's hard to beat the convenience of the self-emptying dock and the performance on both hard floors and carpets is solid. Compared to other models in the same price range, like the Roomba i7 Plus or the Roborock S7, the Roomba 105 offers similar performance, but the self-emptying feature and its price point give it a slight edge. When it comes to build quality, the Roomba 105 is solid. It feels sturdy, and the design is well thought out. The mop pad is easy to attach and detach, and the vacuum bin is simple to empty when you need to. Maintenance is straightforward with no complicated steps. Just keep the filters clean, check the brush rolls for debris, and make sure the dock is functioning properly. If you ever need help, iRobot has a solid reputation for customer service. They're responsive and have a reliable support system in place, which is always a plus for peace of mind. To wrap things up, the iRobot Roomba 105 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop is a great choice for those who want a smart, hands-free cleaning solution that covers both vacuuming and mopping. Its powerful suction, smart navigation, and self-emptying dock make it a standout in its category. It's best suited for people with mostly hard floors, light carpet, and those who want to avoid manual cleaning as much as possible. If you're okay with its price and the few minor trade-offs, it's definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. And if you have any questions about the Roomba 105, or if you already own one and want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye till next time. Stay clean, stay happy, and keep your home sparkling with Reviewsinside TV.